In this video, we're gonna review Binance US. I'm gonna give you a full guide on where Binance US shines and where it falls short, detailed information on fees, so you can decide if it is for you or not. If you are new here, my name is Ken, here to talk about personal finance and investments. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Let's do it. Let's start with where Binance US shines. It has low fees. Binance's 0.1% trading fee is lower than many other US exchanges. Second is trade execution. Binance is known for its high-speed trade execution. Before company founder Changpeng Zhao started Binance in China in 2017, he developed a software system for matching orders for high-speed traders. Another pro is about crypto selection. While it doesn't offer as many cryptocurrencies and crypto-to-crypto trading pairs as its parent company, the selection of nearly 60 cryptocurrencies at Binance US still outpaces many other US exchanges. Now, let's talk about where Binance US falls short. First is, of course, accessibility. Binance US isn't available in 7 states, which are Connecticut, Hawaii, Idaho, Louisiana, New York, Texas, and Vermont. Second is regulatory issues. Global parent company Binance has run into regulatory issues and controversy in some countries, moving operations from China to Japan. At a May 2020 tech conference, founder Changpeng Zhao claimed that parent company doesn't have a headquarters because Bitcoin doesn't have an office. If you'd ask me what is Binance US is best for, I would answer 2 things: peer-to-peer trading and crypto-to-crypto trading. And here's some more details about Binance US's ratings. Binance US has a minimum trade of $10, while in terms of transaction fees, Binance US charges a flat 0.1% spot trading fee, which is lower than many other US exchanges, including eToro about 0.75% for Bitcoin trades, and Coinbase, which charges 0.5% for trading fees plus a flat fee of up to $2.99 per trade, depending on trade amount, of course. For traders in a hurry, Binance US also offers a 0.5% instant buy or sell fee. Binance charges an additional 4.5% for debit card transfers. Unlike its global brokerage, Binance US doesn't allow credit card purchases, and there are no fees for cash deposits or withdrawals by ACH bank transfers, while bank wire transfers are $15 per transaction. Fees for crypto withdrawals differ by crypto. Withdrawals of Bitcoin cost 0.0005% and a minimum withdrawal amount of 0.001 Bitcoin. As I mentioned earlier, Binance US offers the purchase and sale of nearly 60 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Chainlink, Dogecoin, and other popular digital currencies. Do you know how many cryptocurrencies are available on Coinbase? Let me know in the comments if you want a Coinbase review from me or even a comparison. In terms of crypto-to-crypto trading pairs, Binance US currently offers nearly 60 crypto-to-crypto trading pairs with Bitcoin and 9 other digital currencies, which are Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Litecoin, Uniswap, VeChain, and Tezos. Many other cryptocurrencies can be traded for stablecoins, Tether, and Binance Dollar. Binance's own stablecoin, 1 Binance USD always equals 1 USD. Now let's talk about digital wallet options and security. Trust Wallet is the official wallet for Binance users, a free app to store cryptocurrency that is highly rated by Google Play and App Store users. Users, however, are welcome to use their own choice of crypto wallet. There have been no reported breaches at Binance US, but the global Binance site reported in 2019 that hackers stole 7,000 bitcoins worth $40 million at the time. The company said it paid the losses in full to affected users. All USD dollar deposits at Binance US are held at custodial bank accounts and insured up to $250,000 for bank failure by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. But unlike stock brokerages, cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance US are not covered by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation (SIPC), which protects investors up to $500,000 in total capital cash and securities loss in case of a brokerage failure, unauthorized trading, or theft. What about mobile app? In December 2020, Binance US released an update of its mobile app to include live price tracking, the ability to automate recurring buys, and more customizable features. The mobile app mimics much of the same functionality as the desktop site. For customer support, the only way to contact Binance customer support is via email. And here are some other features you should know. First is peer-to-peer trading. Binance US's OTC portal allows trading directly between buyers and sellers. There are no transaction fees, but users are charged the spread between the buy and sell price. Also, the minimum trade amount is high at the equivalent of $10,000. Second is about trading platforms. Binance US uses the same technology as the global platform and offers 3 different trading platforms: Basic, Advanced, and OTC for P2P trading. Binance US suggests new users start on the Basic trading platform, which will still give experienced traders the information they need, such as spot price, 24-hour price performance, and trading value. For the newly crypto-curious, even the Basic platform may be too much firepower. If you just want to purchase some bitcoins, you can bypass the exchange and purchase directly from the site. Once your account is verified, you can simply input the number of bitcoins or US dollars you want to spend. So, is Binance US right for you? Binance US gives a wide choice of cryptocurrencies with a trading fee that is among the lowest of the cryptocurrency exchanges. The US site has the same trading interface as the popular global site, if not the wider selection of crypto and crypto-to-crypto trading pairs. No matter where you decide to make your purchase, understand that investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is highly speculative and known for its volatility. It is actually wise to never invest any more than you can afford to lose. Let me know in the comments, how do you keep and trade your cryptocurrency? Here are more videos about personal finance and investments for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.